What is up, Facebook, YouTube? Good morning. It is a beautiful day. Today I'm here to do a bonded insert due to they had a flood and they cut out the pad and the carpet. So I'm gonna have to do some magic here. I'm gonna be reinstalling the tackless pad and reinstalling the insert. It's a pretty big insert. There goes the Good House Mobile. Let me take you guys inside and show you what I'm up against, so stay tuned. My client had a flood and they took out this wet piece and the padding and the strip. So I'm about to install a new tack strip, new padding, and install this piece. Thank God they had a nice donor piece left over, as you can see. So I'm gonna make it look like it never even happened, so stay tuned. YouTube, look at these after results. Like it never even happened. Once again, as always, thanks for watching.